Kulumbai, myself Krajuna Musahari, and I'm the present president of Bodoland University Student Union. So right now we are celebrating a second inter-college youth festival in our institution, Bodoland University itself. So it's a platform for all the students, for all the college students under Bodoland University, like affiliated colleges. Students have lots of talents inside them, but they don't get platforms to showcase their talents. So it's a great platform. It's a platform to show up the talents, hidden talents, and to show up the culture of every tribals, every community of our BTR region, to show and to connect to each other. So it's a great platform to all the students that we are arranging, as the previous years in the college youth festival has been conducted very well, and this year we are hoping for the best and to bring up the best students, to take our students to the next level, like AIU, All India University is journal, where we can represent our students to the national levels and for the further representation for internationals and all. So it's a great platform for all the students, those who are having a hidden talent. So I would like to thank to all the participants for coming and taking part in this festival. Thank you.
Say about today's program.
Today's program, it's like we have never thought like there will be a huge gathering like this. So it's very pleasant to say that we got such a interesting students, interesting colleges who have taken part in this program, and we are very happy to see lots of crowd and lots of like talents they have gathered here. So thank you.
How many colleges and how many students have participated today?
It's like we have more than 52 colleges, affiliated colleges, but right now we can see it's like 37 colleges that have took part and they did the registration, and it's around 1,000 students who are taking part in this program.
Thank you.
Thank you.
मोनसे फोसावथाय 2024 निफ्राय 2025 मायथाइनि ड्रीम किन्डारगार्टेन प्रि स्कुल काम क्रिट सेन्टारनि मुं थिसननाय हाबाफारिया सोलिगासिनो दङ। क'क्राझार सहरनि साखाथियाव थानाय एबा देबोरगाव बड'लेण्ड मुलुगसोलोंसालिजों नांजाबनाय गियानपुरियाव गोदानै ड्रीम किन्डारगार्टेन प्रि स्कुल काम क्रिट सेन्टार बेखेवदों। जायफोर बिमा बिफाफोरा सानसे थोलो गाव गावनि उन्दै गथ'फोरखौ नोजोर खालामस्लाबनो हाया एबा साख्रि बाख्रिफोराव बेस्थ' जानानै थायो, बैसोर बिमा बिफाफोरा गावनि उन्दै गथ'फोरखौ गियान होनायजों लोगोसे 2 बोसोरनिफ्राय 5 बोसोरनि गथ'फोरखौ बे ड्रीम किन्डारगार्टेन प्रि स्कुल काम क्रिट सेन्टाराव सोलोंथाइ होनो हागोन। बे फरायसालियाव गासै सुबिदाखौनो फरायसाफोरानो मोनफुंनो हागोन। सुबिदाफोरनि गेजेराव दं फान लार्निं, डिफरेंट टाइप्स अफ को-कारिकुलर एक्टिविटीज, एज एप्रोप्रिएट कारिकुलम, सेंसरी एक्सपीरियंस, बेनि अनगायैबो होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट, सेफ एंड फ्री लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट, डेली वीकली एक्टिविटी रेकर्ड, नेचर कॉर्नर, लाइव सीसीटीवी सिक्योरिटी, इमरजेंसी फायर सेफ्टी एज वेल मेडिकल किट, एयर कंडीशनिंग फेसिलिटी। बेफोर सुबिदाफोरखौ गासै फरायसाफोरानो मोननो हागोन। बेनि अनगायैबो नोंथाङा गोबां बाथ्रा मिथिनो थाखाय नैबे 8638454887 एबा 9101156459 जानबुं नाम्बाराव फन खालामनानैबो खौरां लाहरनो हागोन।